My least favorite building in UBC. Penning. For sure. By far.
I am probably most dissatisfied with the sub.
I think there's lots that it does, but I think it does it in a very inefficient way, and it's not very inviting in. It's kind of cold. There's not a lot of places to sit.
Buchanan.
It spoils all the view.
The whole complex needs to be leveled and rebuilt.
Mining engineering building.
Why is that?
Because it's garbage.
The civil engineering, mechanical engineering building, which is one of the oldest buildings and most ugliest buildings ever.
Math building.
Math building.
It's so old and like...
Spell.
So bad, okay? I don't want to say this, but it sounds like my grandpa. Sorry, grandpa.
They closer early.
Because especially if you're a vegetarian, there's not that many healthy options.
The portable food is very unhealthy, such as the basement Chinese food.
A lot of people are limited to, UBC expensive sandwiches, and they just can't afford to eat here. I think that we need more study space on campus.
They're kind of staggered about and hidden.
The library is always crowded. It's like during exams there's no place to sit. I do remember last finals week, this building being packed to the gills.
What you have just seen are typical issues of everyday students, and now we have an opportunity through the campus plan to address them. The campus plan is a strategic mean that sketches out how we're going to build our campus over the next 20 years. The development of the plan involves consultation with the community, and as students we need to participate because we know best what would make UBC a better place to learn in.
We'd love to see a coffee shop that's just chill, non-generic, not a big brand, maybe locally run.
I'd like to find something that has a bit of art, some music, maybe a place we can have bands in there, local bands, university bands, acoustic sets playing.
I guess if there were more options available, such as the things that they provide at Sprouts, it would be great, because I feel like I was able to eat things that were not only affordable, but also good for me.
It would be nice to see somehow an agreement come together where you can use your food card everywhere, and everywhere has debit.
A lot of people I've been hearing, they miss the arcade room in the sub-building, and I think that we should get that back. Arcades, have ping pong tables, any kind of recreational just to enjoy with friends.
I'd say more green space. I think that it's really unfortunate. I feel like a lot of our green space has been taken away, and one thing that's really nice about a campus is we don't have a lot of space to lay out.
Like a park area with like tons of benches and stuff, and it's like would be like moderately well lit at night. So like a place where you could actually like hang out.
Yeah, it would be good if there were also just more space, just like Irving, like with lots of daylight, with large windows, high ceilings. Because anything else you feel kind of claustrophobic.
Irving K. Barber is a wonderful example of how to have a study area. I think the sub could really do that a little bit better.
And right now they're talking about to renew the sub, but from the plans I've heard, it seems to be largely about physical renovations and enlargement, which I don't think it's necessary. As long as you can renew the equipment, infrastructure, you're going to have much better environment for students to interact with.
I think we should have more bus routes around the campus and through the campus. Perhaps we should have more shuttle buses that run perhaps during the 10 minutes after class, or have more bike racks so that we can encourage healthy lifestyles.
There could be more like walking paths.
Just like maybe build some sort of pavilions from like major buildings that covers you from the rain.
24-hour convenience store,
Maybe a little bit more variety for food. Food places open later.
Cheaper parking.
Cheaper parking?
Yeah.
I think that the student voice in the campus plan has been lacking, and we ourselves are responsible for having our voices heard. See, as your representative on the Board of Governors, I can do only so much to lobby on your behalf. Now it's your turn. You need to go online now or attend a public consultation in person to give your feedback about the current plan. Tell us what you think of the plans for sustainability, for creating affordable housing, a functional transportation system, the public realm, amenities on campus, the relationship with our neighbors, and so on. And I guarantee you that your participation will create a better campus for many generations of students to come.